and welcome. Today I will show you how to use this closed solid heart 16-inch piece of oasis here. Its part consists of two, I guess you can say layers. One's the oasis, and for this one you don't need to do anything, no extra work. So all you have to do is get it wet, and then you're able to put your flowers on. So as you can see here, we have the hard part and then we have the oasis. So all you have to do is just wet the oasis and place your flowers into the oasis. It's very simple, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So when you're submerging your solid heart frame here, what you want to do is make sure that you let it sink on its own and not push it down. That's simply to avoid any air bubbles and making sure that your flowers all have water to drink while they are in this little shape here. But now just begin adding my flowers rather. I'm going to be doing a mix with these orchids and these carnations. And my filler will be, I will have some Salal as my greenery. So just add your flowers as you'd like. And Limonium will be my filler. You can use baby's breath. So just add in your flowers. It's any design you could do and create. You can add your carnations around the edges if you'd like, or your orchids around the edges to create the heart. So this is fully up to you. Let your imagination go wild with this frame that we have here. So when cutting the stems of your flowers, cut it on an angle to make it easier to insert into the oasis or the foam. And with your orchids, if the stem is a bit curved or a bit too short, you can take 2 pieces of wire, poke it through the head of the orchid, and then wrap it up in some floral tape. Now that we've almost placed all of our flowers, I'm going to begin adding our filler. So I will be filling my gaps with some hydrangea. So just take any small pieces of hydrangea and just put it inside any gaps that you may have. So now we're just going to begin filling in using our filler here. This is what enhances the shape, especially a heart shape. This is what kind of accents the shape very well and lets you frame it a bit better. One thing I forgot to mention earlier on is that if you want to hang this, you can use a piece of wire or any hook that you have and attach it to the frame in the foam before putting in your flowers. And for this I used about 5 heads of hydrangea. So just continue to add your filler around the edges like I'm doing here, like so. Once again, it enhances the shape and it adds a bit of a flair, makes it a bit interesting. I also have some greenery here. So I'm just going to add that along the sides. So the filler and the greenery add a lot more shape and can make your little arrangement here much larger. So continue to add it as much as you'd like. So this is your finished product here, is your finished heart-shaped arrangement. Just spray it with water and leave it in your fridge or in a cool place overnight. And thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.